let you go. There's no way. I'm already still burning. So hold me close. Now baby, I do what I'm told. Still learning to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing, to walk that line, yeah.
This is Nive. Welcome to Makeup and Hair Company, and in this YouTube channel you would be watching a lot of makeup vlogs, the jobs that I get to fly, and jobs like Arangetram, Telugu bridal makeup, Tamil bridal makeup, and so on. So today I'm here at Memphis, and I'm so thankful for my clients to book me for the Arangetram job. So we have two Arangetrams, two girls doing Arangetram tomorrow, and I'm so excited to take you guys
home without you, and my heart just vibe with you, babe. Wanna go sky high with you, babe. Gotta bring you close to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold.
So this is the beautiful room that the client booked for me, and here I have my personal makeup station, and my Dyson air wrap is right here. All my electronic stuff, they are right here, and my water bottle and my hot water or tea cup, because I don't drink coffee, so that is here. And I have my iPad and my computer. I have some YouTube videos to edit, and every time wherever I travel, I'll just organize all my stuff in the order that I will need them, because that actually saves a lot of time. This is the baggage, so it's all set, and this is my sling bag, which is closer to the doorstep, so it's all perfectly organized. And I have my shoes and my running shoes, and I'm going to go for a run now. Finally, we just had the stage rehearsals today. Stage rehearsal is something that will happen a day prior to the main event during the Arangetram. So today they fix fix the small glitches, timings, they check the audio and the performances, and foresee all the upcoming errors that could potentially happen during the main event. So that was that, and I was just watching them and just helping around. And the client was so caring. Both of the clients, we have two Arangetrams happening tomorrow, and I'm getting two girls ready, and the client was so kind, and they treat me like a family. So I feel so happy, and I feel so happy to be a part of their event actually. And they gave me pizza. So for lunch they had pizza, so I just took the pizza, and I'm just having it in my room. I'm so hungry actually. So if you are someone who is looking to plan for an Arangetram or for your daughters, here are the services that we offer. So we offer hair, makeup and costume fixing for the students. And we also, along with the costume, we also fix the jewelry, end to end everything. So please do check out our website for the rates, or please do DM us on Instagram, and we will be very happy to answer all your questions. And apart from that, we sit and work out how the hair should look, how the makeup should look, what are the details that should be noted, and so many things. Because I have worked with a lot of teachers, and every teacher is different. They have their own style of eye makeup especially. So the eye makeup and the hairstyle, they differ a lot when it comes to Arangetram makeup. So I work with the teachers. I don't do my own style. I do what the teacher wants. So that way it's much more efficient.
Up the wall, typical emotional, it's so unoriginal. I gave you the best and you just took it all. I'd rather
7:30 already, and the sun is not down yet, but I'm just gonna go for 30 minutes hit run and do some floor workout, shower and crash, and get ready for tomorrow. I just finished my morning workout. I went for 30 minutes run. I actually woke up by 5 and went out about 5:45, and then did my morning workout. It was so good. It was pretty damn hot outside. Just even for 5:45 in the morning, it was super hot and humid. But I finished, and then I'm having my morning water, and I'm just gonna go shower. And people told me that the breakfast in this hotel is amazing, so I'm going to have that, and I'm going to get ready. And today is the day. From this moment on, the day is going to be super hectic. I will not even have 1 second to just sit down and relax, because it's going to be crazy hectic. So I'm just going to meditate for 5 or 10 minutes and set a positive mindset for the day, and proceed. Most importantly, like I always say, hydration is very important for everyone, especially for makeup artists, because it is very easy for a makeup artist to totally forget about drinking water, because your mind is occupied, you're physically occupied, and you won't even have time to think about drinking water. So put conscious effort. As makeup artist, you have to put conscious effort and time yourself and drink water and stay hydrated. So finally I'm ready. So this is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Gucci belt, and I'm wearing this linen, kind of like an oversized blazer, which is 100% linen, and I'm wearing this silk top. So this is the outfit of the day, and a white corduroy pant. So this is how it looks. My makeup, I kept it very minimalistic because it's scorching hot outside, and hair up because I know it's going to be a crazy hectic day, and I don't like having my hair fall on my face every time, because I have to be on the go. So I just tied it all up, and you know what, I totally forgot to bring my comb. Usually I have it all in my travel kit, but for some reason I'm not able to find it. But I did not even use my comb, anything of that sort. I just use my fingers, because you're a hairstylist, so you know your ways. So literally no comb at all. This is the outfit, and I'm all good. Gonna go have breakfast downstairs with the teacher, and we're gonna get this day started.
Tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena.
Feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back row. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. War. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment. think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mansion in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot, though. Running out the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleecer. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones, and they ready. A good time, so now it's in the way we left at. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my, oh my. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. And we can spend hours reading the signals.
Okay, so just finished getting both the girls ready with costume, hair and makeup. It was so hectic. I'm dying. I cannot wait to go back home. I miss my husband. So yeah, I just wrapped everything up, and we're going to go to the performance. So during the performance, I will be doing touch-up backstage, and that is the plan.
Are judged on the ability to do an Arangetram based on how well they do the all swears of Goddess jump.
Would you just run up and tell someone? If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna go and lay you down. I just feel like you need it's clear. If I told you I was ready right this minute.
Creator of awesome.
Thank you.